How to fix unable to save. There was a error while saving on your photos. So if you're also facing such issue on your Google Photos when you try to open or trim the video or edit the video inside of Photos, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your system settings from the search bar, and once inside here, just click on the system and click on display. Make sure you are on display. Now simply scroll down, and here you should see graphic settings. So you can just tap on this browse to actually browse for the Google Photos wherever you have installed, and simply select it and click on add, and make sure to choose it to the high performance quality from over here, just like I've done with this BlueStacks. Another thing what you can also do is just head over to search bar again and click on search for Google Photos, and simply search in for app settings. And once inside your app settings of Photos, Microsoft Photos, you can simply scroll down and try to repair or reset the application itself from over here. So once you do that and reopen the application, so let me just quickly reopen my application which is over here. So I will want to reopen this video which I have over here with Google Photos, and I'll try to edit with Microsoft Photos as well. So as you can see, it has been successfully opened. Now I will simply try to edit it. So I'll just tap on this trim button at the top left corner and simply trim the video and click on save as a copy, and just locate your destination where you want to save the file. And just like that, as you can see, there has been no error occurring. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you on the next one.